Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 23rd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Fresenius Kabi decided to abandon its planned $4.3 billion takeover of Acorn, citing the latter's failure to fulfill several closing conditions. The company noted that among other factors, it found material breaches of FDA data integrity requirements relating to Acorn's operations. Acorn said it categorically disagrees with the allegations, adding that it intends to enforce our rights and Fresenius' obligations under our binding merger agreement. When that merger agreement was announced last year, Acorn noted that the companies had agreed to a termination fee of $129 million if the deal fell through. In other news, the FDA issued a complete response letter regarding Pfizer's filing seeking approval of a biosimilar version of Roche's Herceptin. The agency highlighted the need for additional technical information, although Pfizer noted that the request does not relate to safety or clinical data. In addition, Prothena will end development of NEO-D001 for the treatment of AL amyloidosis after the failure of a mid-stage study and a futility analysis for a Phase 3 trial. CEO Gene Kinney said, "We are deeply disappointed by this outcome," adding, "We are surprised by the results from these two placebo-controlled studies." And finally, Sage Therapeutics submitted an application to the FDA seeking approval of SAGE-547, an intravenous formulation of brexanolone for the treatment of postpartum depression. The allosteric modulator of both synaptic and extrasynaptic GABA A receptors was granted breakthrough therapy status by the agency in 2016. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.